Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen, and this is the 5 a.m. challenge class, and today is day 9 and we are discussing problems based on mathematics useful for teacher recruitment exams and especially TETs. Karnataka TET and CTET. Of course, other teacher recruitment exams like Hstr, Gpstr, KREIS, all aspirants have to watch this class because we are discussing most important and some of the, you can say, the lengthiest problems which will be asked in your exam for sure. Okay, see, either it is a multiple choice question or it is a descriptive question. Only thing is that you should be knowing how to solve the problem, right? If it is a multiple choice question, you can use some tricks and you can reach to the answer. But if it is a descriptive answer, then you have to use the particular steps in order to get the full marks, right? So that's why don't get worried about whether your exam will be based on multiple choice questions or it will be based on descriptive part, because your preparation is going to be the same. And if it is multiple choice questions or descriptive type questions, the question paper is going to be same for all the aspirants, right? It's not that only you will be asked different type of questions. It's not like that, right? So your competition will not change. So that is the important thing which aspirants should understand. If the syllabus is changed for any of the exam, it will be changed for everyone. If the pattern of the exam is changed for any of the exam, then it will be changed for everyone. So that's why you shouldn't stop your preparation thinking about what is going to happen even when the official notifications have not come. So this is what we believe. Once any authentic news or official notification comes, then we will see what to do. That is after the news comes, right? But right now what you have to do, whatever the exam pattern is, you should not stop preparing for your exam. So keep this in mind and let us start solving today's problems. So see this question. 5 into 3x plus 4 minus 8 into 6x plus 7 is equal to 9x minus 8. You have to find what is the value of the given expression x square minus 2x plus 1. So in order to find the value of this expression, what you have to do is first find x from the given expression. Right? So this is very simple, right? So if you have to just multiply things and find the value of x, just do it quickly, because you have to save time in your exam. So that's why you should be quick in the calculations, right? So 8 6 are 48 minus 8 7 are 56. So this is equal to 9x minus 8, right? So here in the left hand side I will have minus 33x minus 36. In the right hand side I will have 9x minus 8. So I will put all the x things one side. So minus 33x minus 9x. So here I will have minus 8 plus 36. So here I will have minus 42x, and in the right hand side I will have 28. So x will be equal to minus 28 by 42. This is equal to minus 7 4s are 28. Then 7 6 are 42, or this is equal to minus 2 by 3. So this is our x value. Now put this x value in the expression which you have to find. This is the expression given in the question. Put x value here. So x is minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 into again minus 2 by 3 plus 1. So this is going to be equal to 4 by 9 minus minus of minus will be plus. So I'll write plus here. 4 by 3 plus 1. Now take the LCM. For 9 and 3, LCM should be 9 only. So you will have 4 here, you will have 4 into 3, because 3 3s are 9, right? So 12 here and plus 9. So this is going to be equal to 25 by 9. So our answer should be option 1. Very simple, but then what should come in your mind when you read this question? The thing which should come in your mind when you read the question is that you should first find x, then you can substitute x value in the given expression and find the answer. Okay, clear, right? Moving on to next question. what is the value of this expression? They have given this expression a into a plus b square plus c plus b square into a square plus b square plus c square minus c into a plus b square. And they have given you the values. A is 1, B is minus 3, C is minus 2. You should just substitute these values here and you should find the answer. This is a very easy problem, right? But then aspirants do this type of problems wrong only. It is very common because this problem looks very easy, but when you do the mathematical calculations, no, at that time you make mistakes. So what you have to do is make it organizingly. Exactly below the alphabets you write that particular number like this, and then use brackets wherever needed. B means minus 3 is there, right? So I am using bracket again here. Plus C is minus 2 again, right? So I am using bracket here. Plus now this much I wrote already. Now I have to substitute this values. What is B again? Minus 3. I will write the bracket here. A is 1, so I don't need bracket. B is again minus 3, I need bracket. C is minus 2, again I need bracket, like this, right? So minus C is again minus 2, you need a bracket. Inside A is 1 plus B is again minus 3, you need a bracket. So if you use the brackets, no, more chances are there that you will not make a mistake. So here 1 is there, so I will skip it. No need to write 1 again here. So 1 plus minus 3 whole square, it will be 9 plus minus 2 is there, right? No square here, so I'll write minus directly. So here minus 2. You have to practice like this while practicing. So things will become very easy in your exam, right? So minus 3 whole square will become 9. Inside I have 1 plus minus 3 whole square will be 9 plus minus 2 whole square will be 4. Again minus of minus will be plus 2, I will write here again. 1 plus minus 3 whole square will be 9, like this. Okay. So this is going to be equal to 10 minus 2 plus 9 into 14 plus 2 into 10, right? So this is going to be equal to 8 plus, again, see, it's up to you. Either you do 9 into 14 or you write it as 10 plus 4 like this. 9 into 10 plus 4. This also will become easy for you to multiply, right? 9 tens are 90 plus 9 fours are 36. That will also give you same answer only, right? So here I will write 90 plus 36 in place of this, so that I will not multiply 14 into 9. So sometimes aspirants don't know the table of 14. So that's why I am giving you this simple method wherein you can split, or you can do like this also. Here only while writing, no, here only you write 9 into 10 plus 4. Right? So this is your answer for this, like this, right? Plus 20. Now simply you have to add, right? If you add up all this, you will get 98. Here you will get 36 plus 20 means you will get 56. So here your answer will be 154. Option 3 will be the correct answer here. Simple, right? Only you have to substitute things here. But because so much of plus and minus is there in the answer, aspirants tend to make mistakes. And here no, they will give options such that if you get wrong answer also, that option will be there here. See what they do, no, two types of questions will be there in your exam. One type of question, if question will be easy, then options will be confusing. Okay. So that time aspirant tends to make a mistake. If questions will be tougher, options will be farer, or options will be direct, so that mistakes will not happen much. But then if the question is only tough, aspirant is not able to solve only. So that's why you should be ready for both type of problems in your exam. Okay. Next, question number 3. The expression x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square plus x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square minus x plus y into x square minus y square is equal to. So this is the question. So while reading the question, something should come in your mind that this is like one formula. What is that formula? The formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is equal to a cube minus b cube. Like that only similar thing is written here also, just with a sign change. So another similar formula, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a cube plus b cube. So these two formulas should come in your mind while seeing this question. So just I have to substitute now. In place of a there is x, in place of b there is y. So here I will have to just substitute like this. X cube minus y cube. Here x cube plus y cube. Here I will have to multiply the brackets, right? So if I multiply the brackets, I will have x cube, then I will have plus xy square, then I will have minus x square y, then I will have plus y cube. From this expression some things can get cancelled, like minus x cube and plus x cube will get cancelled, plus y cube and minus y cube will get cancelled. So what is remaining here? X cube plus y cube plus xy square minus x square y. So if you see the options, this is not there. So what you have to do, see the options carefully. Any option is there with x cube plus y cube? Yes, two options are there. Option 1 and option 4. Now try to just take common from these two and rewrite. So here what you can do is, you can take plus xy common. So if you take plus xy common, in the first place you will have y here, second place you will have x here. So from option 1 and 4, which one will be the correct one? Option 4 should be the correct one. In case you write x cube plus y cube plus xy into x minus y, which is wrong, at that instance you will tick for option 1, which is a wrong answer. See, that's why I am telling you, if the question is simple, then they will give you confusing options. You have to be very careful. Everything is same, right? See, x cube plus y cube plus xy. Here everything is same, right? Only in the bracket the order is different for both. You have to be very careful with this. So, moral of the story here is that simplification is very important and you have to be very careful while doing simplification. Okay, clear, right? Now let's move on to question number 4. So it is a statistics question. What is the mean of the median, mode and range for the given data? So you have to first find median, then find mode, then find range. For that mean, median and mode, you have to find mean of those three. So this is a tough question, I must say, because it will involve many steps, right? So before starting to solve this problem, first understand what is mean, median, mode and range. Okay, so I am taking one simple number list here, like 734176. If you have to find the mean of this, you have to do sum of the numbers divided by how many numbers are there. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So you have to add up all this divided by 6. That will give you mean. What about median? For median, you should first arrange the given numbers in ascending order. After that, you have to pick the middle value. For that middle value, you have to do divided by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, even numbers are there, right? Just divided by 2 you have to do. But if the numbers, number of times the numbers are written, if it is odd, then you have to do n plus 1th time by 2. That I will show you while solving this problem, okay? Next, for mode. Most common number, how many times it has written? One number is written more times. That number which is written more times will be your mode. Range means it will be the difference between highest and lowest number. That will be your range. Okay. Now I'll explain you all this again in the given problem. Now whatever the list of numbers they are given, no. First step is that you should write those numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger you have to write. Okay. So just see carefully and go on writing ascending order. 0, 8, 9, 11 is there 2 times. So I will write 11 2 times. 17, 18, 20, 24, 25 they have given 3 times. So I will write it 3 times. Then 29, 30, again 30 also they have given 3 times. No, sorry, 2 times. Then 44 and 50. Now this is in ascending order. Smaller to bigger we have written. Now find the median. How many numbers are there? Odd numbers are there or even times it is written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many numbers are there? N is 17. So it is odd. If it was even, no, we used to just do by 2 like this. But because it is odd, in this case you have to do n plus 1th term divided by 2. Okay. So what is n? 17, right? Plus 1 divided by 2. So this one will be your 9th term. So which is the 9th term in the median here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one will be your median. Okay, like this. Next, we have to find out mode. Mode I told you, right? Mode is very easy. The term with the maximum frequency. While writing in the descending order only we saw that 25 has written 3 times. So maximum frequency, I will write here for you. Term with maximum frequency. So what is mode here? In this case it is 25. Next, mean, median. We have to find out median, mode. Then we have to find range. Range I told you, right? It is the highest term minus lowest term. Highest term is 50 here and lowest term is 0 here. So 50 minus 0. This is our range. Now actual question comes. They are asking to find the mean of these 3, median, mode and range. How do you find the mean? You just do sum of the numbers divided by total numbers, right? What are the sum of the numbers here? One is median, one is mode, one is range. That you write here. So mean is equal to median plus mode plus range divided by total numbers. How many are there? 3, right? Median, mode, range, 3. Like this. So this one is 24, this one is 25, this one is 50 divided by 3. So this one is equal to 99 by 3. Our answer is 33. So option 4 will be the correct answer here. So many things we have learned in this problem. We learned what is mean, what is median, what is mode, what is range. We also try to understand the question. Here they are asking to find the mean of median, mode and range. So this is a very important question. This is a Hstr and KREIS 11 question also. Okay, clear, right? Next, question number 5 and question number 6. They are from mathematics methodology. So the question number 5 is a mathematical theorem is, they have given you 4 options. You should read these options carefully. A statement without sufficient evidence for proof, statement that has been proven by logical arguments based on axioms, statement which is always true and doesn't need proof, statement whose truth or falsity is not known. So here this all is not a mathematical theorem. Even this is not a mathematical theorem. Statement without sufficient evidence, no, that is also not a mathematical theorem. Mathematical theorem is a statement that has been proven by logical arguments based on axioms. So for question number 5, option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Because no, for us in mathematics, all logical arguments are proved based on axioms. Logical things are needed here. Okay. Next, question number 6. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. See, things, you have to understand this, which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So basically, if A is equal to C, B is equal to C, it implies that A is equal to B also. So this is the axiom. And the question is, this axiom which is basis to arithmetic and algebra is given by. So this axiom is in arithmetic and algebra, and these things are true in arithmetic and algebra. Who gave this theorem? They are telling. So the famous person who gave this theorem is Euclid. This is a Euclid's axiom. Very important question this is. Okay friends, so in today's class we have discussed 6 questions, 4 from proper mathematics and 2 from methodology. Okay. I really hope that you like these questions, because these are very different and a variety of questions we have picked in this class today. Now these are your assignment questions. If you have not joined our Telegram group, you can join. You will get the link in the description below this video. We have a Telegram channel also, you can join there also. You can solve these problems, write the answers in the comment section below this video, or you can share in your Telegram batches if you are paid classes aspirants. Then you have your batches groups, right? There you can share. Now the speciality of this assignment is that I have given you different questions. Only I think not exactly that also. Question number 4 also is not exactly the same thing which we did in the class today. So these 4 questions are variety of questions which we have not done in our class today. So I wanted to give you more variety. So that's why I am giving you utterly different questions as assignment. Don't worry if you are not able to solve it. We can discuss in the Telegram group. Already many aspirants, especially in paid class groups, I am very happy. Aspirants are giving answers regularly, and some aspirants, as I requested, are also writing down in the paper and sending the picture in the Telegram group to help other aspirants. So this is very good thing to be done, because while you are sharing also you are learning, right? And seeing your answers, others are also learning. So that's a very good thing actually. Okay, so these are the 5 assignment questions, and these are the assignment questions answers of the previous class. Okay friends, if you are really happy with the classes, then like the video, share it among other teacher recruitment aspirants, and also let us know your feedback, how you are liking these classes. I am very happy, very glad to know that there are some group of aspirants who are daily continuously waking up at 5 a.m. and watching the classes right then at 5 a.m. I have also remembered all the names of the aspirants now. This is a very good thing to be noticed, that some aspirants are taking these classes so seriously. So I dedicate these 5 a.m. classes to those aspirants who are regularly, consistently waking up at 5 o'clock and watching our classes. Okay friends. Thank you. All the best. Bye.